Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step process to get your Croatian virtual number from KrispCall. To get your Croatian phone number, visit KrispCall.com and log into your current account or create a new one. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or heading to Settings. Proceed to Purchase New Number. Select Croatia from the drop-down menu. Personalize your desired number type and proceed by clicking Buy Number. Give your chosen number a name and add it to your card. You must submit the documents containing your ID and local address to our customer department to get your Croatian phone number. Afterward, click Confirm Purchase. Once your virtual number becomes active, you can begin making calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.